fremra ye semra atade ye fra emra kuntunkuni aha sei ene wiase nyina edru the whole week dia na se woni abona campaign antena se dia na chese wonte de ekọ ewo United Kingdom ahimie nyina ekase ekrum immigration headquarters yaba ene ye ne mascot solicitors ena atena se aha ye ne lawyer Frank tena se dia na chese ba bi atadi de lawyers nyina ente ye no wate no aba beka ente ye na no pay mema wo ache mema wo aha mema wo ajo mema wo akwaba edeba Abnas Campaign TV eso aha ena wo pesa wo ba abrochire untu kwan da wo ko British embassy bia na refuse enra dua kura ya refuse obi ena no pay ya wo bia nya letter wanye email see ya refuse no what try visa try emfa ma empo common visitors visa ye see emfa ma wa wo yire wa wo kunu kura ekofa wo maame kura de wo ba no omo se wo de ye emfa ma aha wo ne ye tena ha wo dada bia wo de wo ne ni da so oni busuani Monday no se me ka kire mo mon share video no me se ene meka wo wo eye £1,200 eda wa accounts ma bra kopebi emfa woni ba bia sika ni free ba wo betimi akobobosea wo betimi wo maame wo papa wo nua obi betimi amawuska 1,200 na wo dia to accounts wo ba brochire visa what ya see enunti ena meka kire wo se share video no Monday ne sha mo se hehe me wie ye nkofo afre me bra bi kura de ne ho ye mabufu ofre ya was sister na me wa adwuma mu ntimi anhye ntimi ye ma pese me wie ana ma afre wo wie anu afre me na me ma kan akire wo lalai oboa enu nti fre wo nua bi otegana oni ani daso oni busuani bia wa abrochire aha ena wudi busuani a yetimi ma wo visa se Jennifer bra abrochire free enti share video no ne fro bi na ka kire bi say ye ne mascot atena se aha ye ne no lawyer na wo star e wo ne mama so no ne star ne de ade so wo share yi microscope no wahu sa star no wuni sunsum aya you can see it so what you see Sister Maria we dey here na pe we ye Ghana we ye UK we ye United aha emi so we ye United Kingdom kokko no we eye King Charles the third edia ena we so ye nanado edia na ye o ye wina sesa na moto no o ye wina nanado ye wina sesa na ye to nwom no enti we de wo pe no atworo Ghana versus United Kingdom aha Kofi Boateng is Pastor Kofi Boateng anase hwan me pa chowe ye wa ma mi hu ate ye wa Bishop ma mi hu se ye wa Ebenezer me pa chowe wo hwe me free as usual wo ba ase ya na wa like video no wa share na wo the country kro na wo hwe me enemy hia Ghana fo me hia wo bia wo Ghana a wo pese wo ba broche desperately obi a waye desperate enye obi a ne maame wa abrochire na meka obi a woni ani daaso ene meka obi a oni ani daaso a wo nsa no dwuma wo ye mpre kokura bra aha eno na meka aha ade dosen de he na ape ade dosen mechia wo hwe me edi free him sweet maame se wakoto wo hwe me free him maame de he na ape wo pe Ghana passport and ape Britain passport we eye Great Britain we eye yenso so ye dia Ghana wo say ye nyame ya doma Ghana ye bebobo o say ye Ghana ye de nie enti de he na ape choose wo de o ha Ebenezer wo ba se me pe Ghana sa no Miss K o se me pe Switzerland aha eno so de mi Switzerland passport wa ha okay Beatrice for su Coventry share video ne Coventry akosia santo akosia etesen akosia wo Ghana akosia share video no ema hairdresser for nyina say good news aba hairdressers for obi a wo ye adwuma obi a wo wonsa no adwuma ahaya e na wo bete no nyame ya adomo a May on the 8th samokai ene ye bedi komolo ya Frank dem ne tena se dia wan share video na ye nka mo kai se ye bedi nkomo bi e kire mo eye 2023 meso de agye passport ne enko ade Dawson yi baako Emmanuel hwemi from he Emmanuel me patch of our country krono eto so emame kwabona wo hwemi efri he Emmanuel she video no Ghana okay Rebecca ewo Ghana ade Dawson wo hwemi free he Dina entry she free Ghana monfa Ghana flag into so I'm proud the Ghanaian wate enti monfa Ghana flag into so me choose baako me choose Ghana passport eno na ye me dia aha me free enti obi anyi baako de obeyi na me dey ma aha Dina Kwame ba papa bi sweet Kwame share video no ekọ croydin share video no ko Feltham share video no Kwame share ko ho aha akosua ewo hefa na Kwame ba ma bo wudi Monica me pacho wo hwe me free he wa me mo wudi ma me marry long time ma me ewo hwe me free eye Ghana ma me marry me sister Mariam Yakubu upe Ghana passport okay obi enu ope UK de ope Ghana nana ene agemai nana ne agemai Angelina Costa wo hwe me free hefa UK okay obi entu su baako anope me ma wache me ma wadwo me ma wa ha me ma akwaba ka kire wo nua bi se abonance campaign atena se enye replay eye miankasa ena mete ase no eye miankasa ena mikura eye Britain passport we eye red book ye kan red book ye kan no ye red book ena we enso so eye Ghana passport Monday me ne motenas no me ne mudi enkomo ena me ka kire mo se mun share video no ema madofo there is a good news aba enye care for de ena enye nurses for de e bia wo hwe me wo de onye nurse onye carer woni busuani bia wo United Kingdom the only thing you need is £1,200 just £1,200 na ekokoye Ghana passport ena woni maintenance ene woni maintenance share video no na frɛ wonua bi kwaku champon o hwɛ me edi free hefa onpie so na boaten papa bi nana ewo Ghana Mavis Secretary ewo Italy me pacho share video no eko Italy osofo Kwame osofo Nkroma osofo mechia hwɛ me wo UK mechia mo mama me nkolo ya so ne ani dwumadie no ententem na frɛ wonua bi na ka kyerɛ wonua bi sɛ abonance campaign atena sem share video no ewo United Kingdom Ghana passport ye di bedin komo akọ Ghana eni krom ha esei enyina ye bedin komo akọ Ghana eni krom ha nyina British passport ye di bedin komo ewo aha internal ene meka twi pa meka twi emudo meka twi a emudo e di akire nkofo na wate de ye pese ye ka no ase lawyer me ma wache me ma wadwo me ma ha me ma akwaba Ediba abonance campaign Attract TV eso. Me ba choda ho ye.
Yes, that's good one. I think my camera went off, so I had to face it again.
Good. Why are there so well?
That's it. For mama chin mama jo yedomase say enede oba de ache ne yetimi ehye mu. Yehia mu say ya na ye enije ene ahote ehia ya che kakra. Antene obade de ache ente de na se bema mo ama obade na ma some of mo gwa na matena say mascot solicitors and campaign outreach na na ehia said the bia sika no mascot e dey discuss bia na general immigration matters not specific matters in relation to specific issues nti normal cost so na ye kasa say wo BB of legal matters na per se adwen ho a pacho betime book appointment na obehu ye no better say na ye di ye atu ye yadamase enti ne meja ama Kansas of Mami
yo yadamase meja e di amaso for Mami ladies campaign 1 original no ehwana ye ne no atena ase enti Benis Reverend Fiedu mun share video no la ya wo any update uni any update amen komiju medie ne so wo any update bi de mame
there's one interesting case law and Rami who saw my report now it's interesting in the sense say omutimi develop on a further a bit me aboa awalefo a omkofo omukunu aba na sometimes na sometimes omuntimi meet financial requirement no ye kaya mambe 5 minutes na min church ho enhwe Yakayam said 2017 Supreme Court make all the be as a Home Office restrictive approach no mu use for spouse maintenance no omo and consider in relation to Article 8. Enti obi wɔ hɔ no ma tum na wade no yɛ genuine obi bia nanso ebia financial no mu entimi meet 18,600 because of 18,600 near refusal application. And so bibia obi wɔ kro sign nipa no wɔ ma near refusal no. In terms of 2017 Home Office said financial requirements must also be looked from Article 8 perspective. But Home Office amend the rules no. It is still now no continue in a very restrictive approach. Just 2 days ago, na me hu say one report new case SB. SB versus Home Department now. What is all about was SB no ni kunu kofa na tama ni kunu kofa na ba no ye adwuma o meet financial threshold which is 18,600. But oba ne ba ha no do tama obe renew ne visa no. Na papa no ewo pension into scar no agi 11,000 and into no refuse Home Office refuse maame no application and now they call first year tribunal and a tribunal no refuse or the upper tribunal so refuse and when you have permission to appeal to Court of Appeal and Court of Appeal look into it. Now, Court of Appeal give a very good indication. The Court of Appeal granting Maame no appeal no, on the basis Papa no Maame no kunu no eba a omo ne net no ono no ye adwuma a oji over 60,000 a year. Enti omo look at it from third party perspective. So even though Papa ni income so ne Maame ni income ni so nanso ne ba na omo ne net no oye adwuma oji over 60,000 and nintino omo grant Maame no appeal on the financial so meet financial requirement no. It would be good, so possible. I mean, the only disappointed part is court no so guidance be as to how we can apply this in future. But the good news is a third party financial support has been accepted in the SB case here. Ebia obisi a similar case, maybe a family related family member, be an friend, be a credible and trustworthy. Omo emiti financial threshold on the support of family no come forward there. Possibly it will be a good sign for a successful case under those who have struggled to meet financial threshold. But watch this space now, meaning more information on third party financial sponsor na namuaso we are smarty. Into no basa they are na our reform to meet financial threshold, or bit may rely on a third party to down for now when you have been a meet threshold now a bit me I used to do.
Yet the lawyer say update or dear my no the palmatra to ye bebdo musuko because or say a fay ena or more a day ba ain't no more details no. Maybe I chomote lawyer ain't more details no ye de ebeba na mate asiye. Okay. Afei na wodu afide na to ha eye mascot solicitors ena Wednesdays anope bia no eye UK time 10 o'clock ye no mo etena se etwetwe enkomo me pacho se video no na frɛ wo nua bi ne ka kyerɛ wo nua bi se abonus campaign ene lawyer atena se video no ebra UK ha ne se video no ekɔ Ghana me pacho me wie program ya me wie menye lawyer ena ete ho no wo difference se ewom utimi hu sene okasa no utimi so ye lawyer wo hwe sene me so me kasa utimi kasa sister wonye lawyer enu ntimi pacho me wi a enfre me wi a frɛ lawyer me pacho share video no ema wo bi wa betena brochire 20 years wontimi mfa nipa baako betemo baako ma brochire enye wo fault e bia na wa hoboa enson na opportunity aba good news aba se video no nema wo bia wo te ho no a wonni ani daso no emra wo se fefe Bia wo waja wo yere ne wo ma wo ho. Wonya wo nkrata wo ma na nyinyini. Wontimi nkofa wo ma no ema. This opportunity no a privilege e de ma wo ene me. Se betimi anam so e de obi aba aburuchire wo se fe me share video no. One sha yenka me pacho share na yeni enkomo. Me de Ghana de good news aba ne to ho. Enipa mo hwe me no munya enough. Nipa 200 is not enough. Omo Ghana onne kra ye refuse omo visa no mbeburu 200. Bia ye nyenim wo mo. Wei wako embassy da. Ye refuse wo da. Ya bande wo embassy da. Eno emfa ho. Wo mo dia wo mo hwehwa ne se wo de nyasika 1200. What na kromi ha 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. Woso wo twen de amnesty me pacho bra na wone me entenase ene anopai wenye kuntunkuni wenye koya aware e na wenye koto obi ba taade ne fahye weye wankasa watene kroma 10 years watene kroma 15 years bra na yeni enkomo enso a wo so won share video no ene etena ho yo me starting and free eye Ghana passport eso obi bebu sase sister abna Ghana passport na wukra na ukra British passport. Me the Ghana passport no kasa. Wo Ghana good news aba. Na emom good news no me de ato ho because ma mo hwe me ni inye enough. Me the Ghana passport no sign akasa wo krom ha. Na aba besi British passport eso. Enti Ghana passport good news no me de ato ho. Enipa mo hye no enipa no mo hye na enipa ne do so kakra ye ben ye announcement no na mo so mo de I spread ama wo bibiara enya bi wei Ghana passport na ekura me da bi abona skimpen ya na me ni mu di nkomo a me ka kire mo se abre ni bre nyina no se wo wura ekurom ha Great Britain aha na se wo pese wudi kuro wei so ene padea baby ba kope ene wo se wodi wani hwe Abundance Campaign Outreach TV eso obibeka say sister yes of course the whole world enye the whole United Kingdom ewiase babia wan ena wan ene di mra fremra kanche mra kire mra mu ma nkofo nya ni daso Abundance Campaign Outreach TV ahaya ena abenya no entime de me see the whole world wiase nyina abodin ekase platform enie bia oba kromi hasen wonante desert eso ena wo de ba aha bia wo ba kromi hasen no wo de 6 months visa ene wura kromi ha lawyer me pese na wo Kenya wo ho na ne me kasa lawyer Mary baby a wo bia mechia o ene wa me sete lawyer enuama na amana na because lawyer o ho na ye dark kakra ma me lawyer Mary I love you so much mechia wate baby a wo bia salute you na lawyer ene Kenya wo ho ma me because ene nkomo no me pese enko deep enfa ema me bia wo ba abrochire wo di 6 months visa ene ba ye bia wo de wo ba ye no ba be share ball enti wo ba no wo de 1 week visa na edeba ye enra man bia wo frɛ me oso oba be share ade bia eba so de bia eba so September October se November de eba so de bia wo krum ha Ghana fo ade ye ma no 1 week visa na emom no onko biom na sister abana obi se memfrɛ wo Abundance Campaign wo be kire me kwan a memfa so a metena krum ha me sreye bia wo de 1 week visa na wo de ba ekrom ha sei na awurade aye wadom na wo hia wo bi wo krom ha na wa ware awurade aye wadom na wo wawo wo ye bema wo ye wo ba na wawo sa wo passport na o Ghana passport a wo ba krom ha wo de ba ye no bia passport no 6 month visa no ebom most of people almost 99% enya enkrata no mo koye enkrata omo mfa omo Ghana passport no mo di free Ghana ba ye no ena me de mu ko deep enti Ghana ye book no meka no krata tuntum almost 90% omo be kurom ya no mu nyankrata adaso omo awo ana omo aware ekwan bi omo afaso bi omo de je nkrata bia no almost 90% efa empty passport ekoye passport foforo passport eye blank passport bibia enim eno mo di ko home office ekokoje nkrata edie be ntia wabusa wo ho se why bia oba no odintunhye ne baaye ona mo desert so ne baaye bia wo baaye ne passport na ekura mo no ye de ko Ghana enipa wo beso ye no eje passport no enti ne passport ekura no de be ko home office no akoje ni 2.5 years akoje ne 3 years no akoje ne 5 years no obi wo ho ne de new passport blank obi wo ho so a ne visa na ebom dada no ebom odi baaye ne entry no ebom ne passport no enwuye enyiraye the same passport na wode akoje ne nkrata yamani 2.5 years ana yamani 5 years yamani 3 years emremu wo ye kuromi hasei no ansan na wo benya book we ekura me no UK British passport no wo benya book kokoyi ekura me no emremu no emra emu no was so watene kuromi ha continuously for 5 years I hold visa entie bia ya ma 5 years after 5 years no wo betimi akoje indefinite leave to remain the following year no akoje British passport obi ohon so a ya ma ni 2.5 years enti wo betwa ne 10 years ni nyina awie but emremu die after 5 years no utimi kwaje wo indefinite na waba be British omo kwa 10 years no because of omontene kuromi ha with the visa continuously any omo 10 years ba obi amenfa ne se waware en wode be kuromi ha ye bema no enfie num ne so a na wakoje ne indefinite no de abeje British passport ene ye ne mu di nkomo to a journey to a citizenship ekwanya anana mo a wutuo de abenya saa krata ewi Ghana for good news no me pacho wa wo test me say sister abna please after I will call you no don't call me share the broadcast mediato ho in favor of Ghanaians our more Ghana enye yenye kurom Ghana nko Commonwealth country all the Commonwealth citizens na a favor yen ba yenye wo Ghana no enti na make so wo ye Ghana ni a wo pese wo be kurom ha kope 1200 ne koye Ghana passport Commonwealth for Commonwealth for enunti sa woje book we ya eno na wode ba abaji we say no ye bedin komo wo yenya ye wo kurom ha ekwan a ya faso a ye kwa akoje British passport say enkofo bebre koje wo mo British passport wa ya frɛ wo mo interview eno na mentia se yade a ehu pa entime pa acho wo be frɛ wo nua bi afrɛ wo nua bi bra bia wo tie me wo Ghana edie benti na wo kwaje British passport a ye frɛ wo interview yes fa wo kunu bra fa wo yere bra anasa wankasa bra ne be kire ye kwan a o fa so a wonya wo indefinite leave to remain
property of its own.
Eno ne lawyer ebedi hu nkomo say possible ma na mo ma me visa edi be wura kuromi ha ana se me be kuromi ha no me ne obi ya aware matena se me hia me be ma me ne be ma na ware mo a mukura kuntunkuni na mukunu no munhunu no mo mra metena se na ye ne mu ni nkomo bia wo de no eye kuntunkuni wotimi BT wo mo abra wo koye waware abra wo kwaje wo fie num bia marriage certificate no there is fault bia wo singing champasa san bia birth certificate no there is wrong bibi wo so bia wo maame na de wo baaye wo papa na de wo baaye but omo a say no wo mo koye naturalization ye frɛ wo mo interviews no omo kwaje omo British passport wo mo demand nneoma no most ye wo mo ma ya aware omo a omo efa aware so omo a omo fa omo wofa omo maame first no ye can dependent sankofo no ena say home office for frɛ wo mo interview omaje wo mo British passport awie omaje omo Ghana passport enfie num enebom specifically yiyufo ena ye frɛ mu interview menka ne sa obi a okura 2.5 years for UK aware no omo ma frɛ nyina no me hu bi wom omo afrɛ nyina se sister abana ya frɛ me interview me koye naturalization yes membra interview ebi nso so kwaji indefinite leave to remain eno na minimum se frɛ interview but British passport naturalization die minti bi da entiane ye ne lawyer be kasa ye ne lawyer bedin komo wa ye aware na se wonhu wo kunu wonhu wo yere wonya ya aware na se wo pese wo koye naturalization a sister gina ho ansa bra chain na lawyer enkasa wie bia bema no wonhu no bia wo ba no wonhu no na wo kwakoye indefinite leave to remain no wo BT system no wan kasa wotimi keka nneoma bi sisi ani enyinya pay slip bi ne nneoma bi sisi ani ana wo de kwaji wo indefinite leave to remain bra sister yesterday netna say memo wo hu musuo da se wo kwakoje British passport oba no woni ni nya ya ware wo behia oba no nneoma lawyer be kali nyina wa ha se wo koye naturalization no wa ya aware a wo behia oba no ana be ma no nneoma ana sankofo no ena sese no moto achi entu ye yiyu ni na wutie me wo ye yiyu dependent bia obi na ye ma wo ma menka ne sa enti nipa ne kura no wo ne da unimu no bia wo yire no unhu no ukunu no unhu no mepa wo chew memmo hu musuo da emo hu musuo da se wo kwa akwaje British passport because our no unhu no a journey to a citizenship lawyer say de ma kire mu no enough enti ba bia be start here free bia no they will understand you one better. Yeah Ghana good news say the lawyer men kan ho asem mepa chew
Mati
the men kan ho asem lawyer for be free so no asan ba so ama bio
okay
me te wo kasa ne pa ba wa wo nipadua ne de me say wo ye bibi foforo enti log yourself out na esan ebra so ebiemu efa ema me pa chewa lawyer wasan ba so obaso a mami hu na yenkoso
pacho ultimate
okay good better lawyer me pacho de mejai e de ama lawyer ne me so kire me nneema mu na yenkasa wo kasa bebuo mu ne kasa ko me pacho yenko
I think that would help with the
okay pacho say the kakra
good better
okay good all right now person can switch it to a different computer but I think if this one is okay then this one okay me da say etfo me da say so what church no mpa journey to British nationality or naturalization very important
me ba girlfriend lawyer number no na ma me say wa kotode ato ho no ne personal number no why okay pacho yenko
very important. Yen nyina ye backroom and I'm say your final destination is say Ibenya British book. nti unya no dia na je say akwantu no wawie
wapeja wonsa
as wa school na wawie unya certificate your graduation wie wawie na je say ani gi aba to unya British book ne dia John nim say wo tu kwan a wotam ya na woni so oba na udru
airport
no question be as say crowd the self scan wo there udru on ma ja Oscar wa there now
but lawyer self scan the crowd police for immigration for gina ho
oh but say
but easy obi amebusa wo dey
I hope you are you know, just say, I mean, maybe another problem be was scanning a problem be
about for assistance.
No mabua, but on say obi on within the book no cry comma immigration officer and no cry you know and someone no good. So getting British book is enjoyable and everybody aims to get the book one day. But the journey is becoming tough and tough. Emu yedin, but na no yebetu ye boni ya go through and normal bebree mu. I mean, before now want to see a flow before interview so ko the British book say the okay no. Ya na bia you our day bi na ya na ya frɛ sebra interview. British book dey na be 1 out of 100. Ya na intense. But say no, it has a palintina or say here for mushe video in. Now, I mean, yet what been say, we were indefinite no, a lintina no one no. And to bet major British book be ANC. Yen a bumpire said be ANC, but I was here Timrano, I say, a ye. Now, a quite be your namswa, your British book, no. One moment, I think inside the background, let me tell the team.
Lawyer Frank, me say obe sign akọ na wa sign aba ebiom de amame lawyer enko no sign emre biom emfama me na me mfa dwumadie no emo me ho. Yo, Nana Benacha was please tell us the good news about the Ghana.
Yeah,
okay. Yeah, lawyer yenko. Debbie lawyer sign free subium na eko na esign ebra na yento yeni enkomo because enkomo na ehu hia ana me mento aso mento adwumadie ne so Emma lawyer okay lawyer yenko
okay mpacho say there
perfect
okay good enti eneno yebeka safa factex ya ebetimi adinai wo British passport and circumstances ya ebetimi a trigger interview na to say nipa any other ye so
lawyer me pacho wansa na abekọ factors no me pese me busu asem bi wa hansa no akọ lawyer say a friend wo British passport interview me koye naturalization naturalization na me koye nye wo koje British passport no na me de koye no me ne be ma ni nyaaye ana wo ba ni nyaaye omo frɛ me interview say omo hia me interviewer eye compulsory say me kwa na me nko because me da so kura me da so we me indefinite leave to remain no
yes
say man kwa is it possible so mo betimi cancel me indefinite no
yeah good say anytime biana if you can send for interview say okoji 2.5 okoji 5 years okoji indefinite and answer okoji British naturalization no or change every Ghana abe British no at any point of time be for interview biana I was say oko so one kwa failing to attend interview itself no is a suitability grounds for refusal and anytime be for several interview no you have to go now Okasa say obi onu anu aware bi oni ni yi ni awade and so ebia entokwanya ma awade no nti still na no omo ete ho to omo twitwa omo awade no na o yes application na yebebusa waware wose ane marriage certificate na odi aka ho waware there be divorce but say waware dia na MC wo ma ya fro mu interview no ye wo ma aya anasto na no mu aware no.
Yes, you are right, lawyer.
Kakra abamanim no. Omo declare say omo aware. Now let me put this one point across before we continue. Most of the clients abame ho ya from interview no, most of the clients oma share them here omo normal application. Most of them. Because you see, Anna in said naturalization application and sheda nye din bi straightforward bi a obetimi akọ wo referee wo do din na de ahyehyɛ ho nte no ano no. But I always tell my clients that naturalization is a final destination, so don't compromise. Say even wo your application no one for lawyer who do naturalization lawyer. The reason is say at that time no ometimi ahwehwɛ unkratem so ofiri krom ha oba krom afoforo up to time a wo naturalization no ometimi go through bibia and I to say the omutaye sa pa titino kra na nte sa be say die wo naturalization application na and titino no so approve so what and a half 5 years but say no omutimi hwɛ wo documents nyina enti ebia na nyame fasa ma akohia case worker or passem na wo hu say we declare say waware na enam so open 17 no otimi for interview even though application yes wo yerin and awukru na ukogina no so yes why we meet threshold so what and have 5 years when you indefinite enti no ebia o qualify for British naturalization into now yes application to me fro near busao da be na aware da be say ni say na nsem basa afi na akotwetwe or however in prepis our dinner good year any I mean a client came here now on one a year I mean I'll say lawyer been a boy and a year a free fee now all year application no will go our dinner into a kind and no more friend for interview. So the simple answer to this client is say our dear no egu ain't you can say nipano or you na say bema na na
mi hu no
enti na ne yam hyehye no ba ha na che say panic enti me ne to bo cassette tin nsam ya okoye no kre bibia da din ena omugya no basa awade ne tiase a ede a na sometimes it me twetwe ensensemba bebre obi on so ebe go to application no na uchantro ebia 5 years ago we application uchantro nenso omudi chel no eno ne nkyere say that is the end
lawyer ni omudi chel no omo ehu ekuro mi ha ye mfa nche omo ehu
ja formally so until we have naturalization no ena enipa na adata na on share glasses afi wa share glasses na adwen about so hu ni ye intimi de wo eba answer na go into that one details na say maybe a try me kind obi no one kasa call a lawyer we no kro ma tete na ha and so oko renew the book no your friends on interview ebusa no nkrata nyina oba ha the birth certificate school awakọ school letters school certificate a whole lot of new be that enti ayedin pa asam make ayedin pa the way kwani ya afre we the way kwano ya friend we ya busan we sense bebre now enti say ya wo hakura na there's possibility says oko renew on there no anya naturalization or British book and oko renew the British book and so a interview by and a naturalization and so it's me interview ever now naturalization the problem ɛwɔ hɔ paa no nipa bebree no ɛyɛ ana yɛdi nya wɔ mu no offense obi hɔ no wɔyɛ ne indefinite no ebi onya driving offense ɛna ebi a ɔkɔmu bɛyɛ say 4 months bi ana 2 months we are 5 years ago to any indefinite leave to remain when declared if any penny so into them say fun and is no called naturalization also no undeclare but a hot the ana adding says sometimes a befu money so into them so when declare into no and the policy is the rules are very clear. The rules is saying say either you have a spent sentence or unspent sentence, you have to declare. And it's open chroma. Now find say or commit any form of criminal offense. Ukomu say 6 months. Ukomu 6 months say after 10 years no spent it doesn't really have value on your naturalization application. But so when declare even though it's spent, but so when declare because you say, oh, obi catch them so almost say after 10 years documents in I know who delete it be biometric, a client to be also obi catch and say biometric. I mean after 10 years everything is gone. And you know who he also be declare. Now when declare and who say you committed an offense even though it's a spent but you didn't declare, that alone omu refuse application for deception. And also was sent to an among a kunenim for another 10 years as an ascending power with me application. And so let me take it stages by stages so that I may say all the important points.
Lawyer and your coachier now FIS start a journey to a citizenship no a kwanya so requirement ebia waya oya aware ana wanya aware a kwan ben na befa so a obe ye o citizenship and na wo koyen so a requirement ene de he eno ne pese ehu na ye nuano mo a say no omo fall into that no obi wo wa ya friend interview ontimi nko say wosuro obeja ama ne indefinite na hye agu ana den entifa start baby ana person dey start no
and no and then yen can naturalization ni nyina because naturalization no also requirements in the doors but you better concentrate on good character no name say good character no any idea actually probably a sign until me perceive focus on good character and other for a bit me aka other areas now good character no factors we consider say one say any power or commit criminal offense e will chrome hada. So that's the first thing you consider. There's an applicant or committed criminal offense. We deal wabokrono. And I say, we know okoto baby mona. And I say, why be an intino? Yeah, when your criminal record, it will chrome her. Obi ohom do be prison over 4 years. You do 4 years over there. Send panel adding so bitimenya enkrata ukrumha. Inti yenya indefinite anyenya 2.5 yes we have landed and into no yentu hum frey no. Na fe journey a lot of no maybe e nko rewrem. Na fe no yakodi bone near the yakko prison 4 years. In any event you do 4 years here. Now we could indefinite cry is automatic deportation. Into wait me lose one crater. But into him say a few people and commit to offense here come for over 4 years. Until let's limit it between woma komu 4 years. Obi on mana oko bokro bi and also kodi boni bi until the custodial sentence no it's not up to 4 years. Obi so honoma ono committee offense into mumano at least custodial sentence and I say imprisonment to the man no at least 12 months but less than 4 years. Enti ebia said the can call bulk chronobi and also could di boni bi any do call imprisonment and I say amount sentence a year above 12 months by below 4 years. Say nipa no untimi enye naturalization application wɔ kurom a until after 15 years since the end of your sentence. Nti assuming say wo sentence no wokɔ mu 12 months. Nti 12 months no ebi a ɛnɛ 16th November ɛna wo sentence no wowie. Say 16th November ɛyɛ nnɛ ɛna wo sentence no end a 15 years from now ansana bitimi apply for naturalization. There are quite a lot of things here obitimi akɔmu 12 months easy. Enti si yɛkɔdi bɔne bi ebi a yɛnsa akɔkeka noma bi ani kwan sɛ ɛka ɛno no yɛbɛkɔmu at least yɛntimi nyɛ application naturalization application yɛnya nkrataa wɔ kurom hanom until say after 15 years from the day that you finish your sentence. Obi also on ma when a committee custodian when your custodian sentence but it's less than 12 months. Until less than 12 months there, now it could be say okomu 6 months, 2 months, or okomu 8 months or 10 months. So offense less than a custodian sentence, but less than 12 months here. Obitimi your application after 10 years of your sentence. And assuming say enne na we finish your sentence now, obitimi apply for British passport naturalization 10 years after today. Now, obi also I'm still on a criminality no. Obi also a non-custodian sentence. And you know the sentence no e bi kura na your only criminal record. Normally a lot of driving offenses ABI amount of them, but being criminal record obi okra na council tax fraud and I say yamane council house na ABI or the rent will be near ya channel na hu se sem na fe no yamano ABI community sentence be and I say yamane criminal record obi also kra na these days I've been seeing this because I've been challenging a lot of DBS offenses here. Yeah, they are to carers. And I've had quite a couple of carers here. We are healthcare workers. And you can say, and I must say, nipana no motion, no maybe uncle yent no. Yeah, the record so DBS offense into not on to me jumani be. Sam for Ninano. So unya sa bonena. Na ABI say a criminal record today. You can't put an application prior to 3 years of the offense. And the offense no occur now. This after 3 years after and then and I'll be to me apply for naturalization. Obi also na the case no say the medical kind offense no I spend it. Enti most offense be assault to be near the day after 4 or 5 years is spent. Say spent to crown a national committee criminal offense na 15 years number and away your application still have to declare say or committee criminal offense and I will come 12 years and at 12 months and at 12 months no crown is over 15 years. Also still now no throw application also. So one try na case where can who say oh committee a criminal offense now obitimi I refuse so application. Obi so ho no ma eno de em say nhye da no so ye crew yi mu na say community international crimes and I say terrorism. Now you are part of it, coming genocide and all those. So I won't waste too much on that because eno de nhye da nye common among us. That if you are part of any of these crimes here, your naturalization application will be refused. But adeɛ baako a nipa no bebree ɔmadwen kɔ so no ɛno na mebɛka ho asɛm ɛno no yɛ frɛ bi financial soundness. Financial soundness. Your application na ebi a me find say you fail to pay tax and answer we fail to pay significant debt be include a NHS debt ebi a council tax, ebi a obi onso a wajijiji loan bi na wo deceive system no, and to accrue significant debt. The emphasis is significant debt. And yes, ebi a waji loan na bi a wo tua loan ka na se bibisa no, wo accrue significant debt bi utimu say ade we de one yusu kwa pa bi so and ama accrue debt no. And I say utia council tax ebi a benefit flawed. And I say obi okro self-employed na wontua ne tax. So untua or tax and I say financial system no is weak. And I say raise a lot of questions here. Your naturalization application will be refused. I had a client, I think about 2 years ago or 3 years, just before COVID. And Obaji advice from home. Na or issue with the financial soundness. I'm kind of say, Minia, to win it to any HMSCR for a taxi near ye to win a yin in every honomo and sana ya application. And Okoji advice a free different person. And in pass and they won't commit criminal offense in here they didn't, don't worry. I mean, the bema and Okoye. Ohan was firm and was say, lawyer, my application here refused. No, mean to me, application be 1 to 5 years.
Oh,
I'm say, and now you went ahead to do the application. I say, no, so me lawyer because I know so meet me into my make application, And I'm say, okay, they say, well, I'm here to how I so 5 years. Banka utie, and I will set a payment plan with HMRC, so utia. To what show preparedness say would bill na enka afetoba ma can be actual but so we the debt correctors na debt correctors say after 5 years at 6 years it will not affect your credit. People have a lot of excuses to justify their mistakes and you ignore it because the debt is huge. And they say, okay, and almost ultimate application. So financial soundness is very common among us. And to say, for answer now be naturalization application. Speak to your lawyers. Say, and I say only lawyer. Contact Mascot solicitors. Let's evaluate your financial situation. I've seen a situation where it may provide a credit report saying this and that huge financial situation, very big problem. And into no mujina so me a refusal the pan application. So what's that issue? I talk to your lawyer. Let's do evaluation and see is it a good time to put in application. And I say you provide reasons. And also they will go ahead for naturalization. ABI or set a payment plan, and I said due to some reason, ABI you can't pay the money, but you show genuineness you want to pay, and you also of course need your naturalization to be done. If the lawyer do the assessment, what or joining normal together, I'm sure you can overcome those financial soundness point. Now another part, notoriety. Yeah, I say people with notorious. Obi oha community now or no local community just say one day you can say you were word be me refi you tree. Just say
nani notorious nani so one day wa gaga nani so hard like
anti community now to wajini din
de ni he we amebo
or be our year party on the every no the kiki o can be bia na de bia na police aba ho e bia o ye dede and o ye ne party ni bi na community na neighbor no report to na police aba ho e bia ye jai e bia now he's shown the signs of disregard to the law or disregard to a neighbor's peace. He's showing a lot of nuisance behavior. For no, say crowd here. The interesting thing is, the COVID fund so abeka into omunya find COVID time boom la so no. They say the munya abeka or how you move into say ubu COVID run so also declare when you find they also declare and yes it may refuse you or naturalization application. And team, if you are showing a sign of being a notorious in your community, if you show a sign of a disregard to the rule of law or the peace of your neighbors, or anything that is significant that can, of course, have a negative impact on your neighbor or the community, they can look into it and refuse your application. Okay. Now, another part, maybe answer now, major amount of question I'll be account. Idea, I'm saying, immigration related offenses or issues. So, immigration related matters and answer issues, offense, idea, and no mutimijina so. Into one, idea will now ye overstayer, said the name no. Into sana ning krata, and a winya krata, not when you indefinite. When you indefinite, and I say be who worry uni, and I'll jail 5 years. Oje 5 years after 5 years, no waji indefinite. They say person or koji.
Aha na tie for muntie, aha na ede muntie.
Yeah, and two person say no okoje British bookwa. First one, say ni pan also train for 10 years. And then the union I was a train for 10 years.
Na no ya no make us almost see at so about 5 years.
Yeah, my check here and it takes so 5 years.
Okay.
And also, let me also put it across there. Home Office also look into every case by itself. And the case will be on my ABR or D5 years and I say 6 years or her. But because of other circumstances, on to me wave good character behavior and near the amount. But the emphasize is 10 years. Now, Obi Honoma na your friend interview. One interview. But one interview no. And okoye application foforo and I say be way and onya ojina ne banso enya nkrata so o apply for naturalization omutimi hwe say nipa way you were once upon a time was invited to come for interview and a wama to wama no and no omutimi ejina so e refuse. In interview idea who here pa na yehwe so a elipa bebre especially yi awade was say oh my lawyer say ma menko oh madam for isi ma menko onko na obu afaso say who show signs say who ya free interview na onko na emira so okotwe you could naturalization na it me a police offense no. Obi omunsu a I'm still on immigration related matters. Obi omunsu a absconde. Maybe a travel on report. Not on report.
And where Johnny?
Yeah, they abscond that niso. And then Yamia dum when in them when yan and krata. I feel person indefinite. It's immigration offense.
Wow.
Say no omu look into this part, no more hard dream, but say no, omu a hard dream power on this. I think I'm saying now they bring me and I say client never had direct. Woman refuse soon naturalization because of immigration related matters. When you're in Krata, we travel 10 years. Within the 10 years.
When you're anyway,
yes. We travel 10 years, and I was shocked. And until we try 10 years there, then just say, no one
qualify for the indefinite a British passport.
Yes, in a British passport. Now, say any power we say. Now, also a J, EU book 5 years, and I say yes about J indefinite, and what train come up. I didn't 10 years. So it can be a claim. Idea immigration for Gina so or issue deception or an application before no or the different person a buyer ɛna nipa na report sɛ ne card ayera ɔmo ɛyɛ ɛnam sɛ ɛwɔ record sɛ wantumi approve sɛ awadeɛ no yɛ genuine na ne card na ayera ɔmo consider no as a sham marriage nti no ɛno nti ɔmo gyina no kwan so refuse naturalization. I was shocked. Now I ask myself, say, nipa dodo say pan na we your community a yɛwɔ saa haw. Nti immigration related offense yɛ ade a ɛdɔɔso paa yɛka sɛ ne yɛka on sɛ adeɛ bɛkye. As sɛ ɔmo gyina so ɛde refuse amanfoɔ naturalization. Ebi also kora ne afro sɛ bra for interview sɛ na earlier on na wɔka no. And the last 3 or 4 weeks, we can say they say obey overstay and also no it's an offense under immigration rules and it may affect your future naturalization. And then to say, oh yeah, well, naturalization application, talk to a lawyer so that the lawyer will help you go through and set out, get more information about you so that it will provide a good background and call treating or how Emma. Inti yeni a yetie si eni saa bonini bia na wase yebo ye ho ban se yenye saa si enso ebi fa ye ho a ye hu ye lawyer ne ye nkasa na ye kan say ebia through your lawyer no ye ne pa bota echi a ebia bibia ebeto edin me de besi ha na wo question bia na contribution.
Yeah, the lawyer say afe na do afide na to ye mascot success ene no mo twetwe enkomo eno ene make say mon join na good news aba no yenka but still no kra no em say Monday ni kra na nipa mo hwe ne da so sen ene eda ho kobusa lawyer so lawyer you be or update ne ho ana wosua de no we mra di mra frɛ mra kanche mra ubusa wo lawyer obeka de kro no good news no aba no e de akero but I don't think say lawyers ni bebre me lawyers na me no mo ye adwuma no ade no ehye home office wo no na wo mayi no mo de apie ni abeka enti ebeba na nkofo betu agusu no na mo no ma ye awie on the 8th of nyame ya adom a May 2023 ye din kan beka ho asem kakra ene ne nke beka ho asem se say officially ya beka ho asem but mmereninti ene ye nka eno so ho asem nyame ya adom a next week lawyer ba ye ne ono a ebedi ho nkomo on the 8th of May to May lawyer me ba cho May on
yeah 8 May
May
yeah.
8th of May 2023 no nyame ya adom a se no aye officially date activities ticket everything no nyame ya adom a aba ye ne mo ebeka ho asem you reckon will say lyrical me patro ne wo ho no because me so mete ewo ahase wa wo si volume no sound no me mete ewo ahase yo lawyer me patro yenko wonko ma wo ni ye di ye no eso me da ase me ye interested pa ewo eye omo aye aware ene omo ma ye dependent oba bewie no ena me ye interested ewo landlord unim se no e ma adwene mu da say obi wo ho a wodi ne dan ama ahan e bi e dan no ye council dia e bi awo aban ene tua wo dan eka de maw aban wo de kura de me fa say bi e dan ne ye £1,000 a obi wo ho a wontua bi kura obi wo ho a £1,000 na bi otua £20 pe ena wo ne dan nim enti aban ene tua dan no eka de maw yenim se nkofo bebredu omo dan ema han because ye Ghana fo wo se ye boaboa ye ho enti se wode wo dan no ema ahan na tip of ekọ aban mu council ho na council no ewu se wode dan ne ma ahan lawyer kasa no wo pese wo kire se council no de wo kogina eye court wa eye offense when show a good character as a citizen. Enti eno no be ye criminal offense e dia ba beto so wo kwa akoye wo naturalization anasa wo kwaji wo indefinite leave to remain indefinite no kra de fanto nchen se wo kwa akoye wo naturalization na omutimi use sa de no against you minimu da se wo de wo dan ma han na se ye chewa eno so yetimi de wo court Medium nim say achiwa anu ani say ama warning. Anasi akacho so wonya loud. So wo de dan no ebe ma han ba mi enemy ni muda. So wo de dan ma han.
Omutimi yama etimi refunded. Yes, Sunday punishment ya sanka ho.
Wo refunded there wo tue sika na waje free nipa no ho.
Sika no omutimi ma refunded.
E de ma tenant no.
No, not for tenant, to the government.
Wo betua ma government. Government dan ya watua e kama nyina wo betua back.
Yeah, betumi tua chewo out me.
Wo go fa no e.
Maybe I'll just kind of that's all. And now assign it's me ma both or one of them. It will be great to me echo AJ because the benefit float is very serious. I'm so my client to be quite for me. About 3 or 4 months ago, a similar situation. Now, so I ship or come in similar.
Now, ono ne kwa de ono de friend no ne boyfriend no ma was ne boyfriend by the way that's osan o ka kire me ono wo living and o de dan no ama o se ne boyfriend no but so boyfriend de enka ye do fa nkoko
say no say no omo hwe pa ye de ani because and sometimes problem aye wo your community no say obi o hono ma so ho o de dan na ma han council na de ama no. But be an a lifestyle outside, no. Na I have a castle a millionaire. Enti ni neighbor no a show na oko na oba. Na wa you can say wa matip of say nipa we na brabo muti say anonymous call. Afei na ye monitor.
Wow.
Ye monitor. Enti most of the cases ni nyina na referrals amount for na afre and a tip off but nam de ye ayehu amount for neighbors ni ehu and it is no money but it says so here benefit flood air cost will a almost every day there's child benefit a child tax credit child benefit housing benefit, all this kind of benefit, name them. Obi on more ni krunete, and so also on quantity.
Ni etua nan come on ni kunu.
And that can child as or as a single parent anyway. Now me dealing with one case visa. Now unfortunately, guy no so eda ho de if you iron address, and na omu ye. And now I come the buy and say about 23,000.
Hey!
On the bread warm. And apart from that, so almost say I can solve prosecute mamma. It's any power when you saw offense here. Not a British book. So I was so disclosing not put to mitigation circumstances. And yes, a very difficult to wait me. And yeah,
lawyer me pacho said you work so disclose. Not just say who offense ne cry na still no work can or mobile pardon with the amawana.
Well, it's not that they will give it to you. You see, the list is endless. But I mean, with this client back home, none the council task. Went here. Went here, sir, and take a leave for whole near the whole lot of situation. And I think it was around about 3,000 something. I forgot the figure. And oba ya near a application or chichimu that offense when you a lot of court orders no. And I'm setting out. So because she was sensible, and I think he did the right thing because what he realized and he said, "Because we no one yet naturalization in Tama, one she maybe at the bebano, not enye, and tea or buy a meeting as I'm okay, fair enough." And he set it out very detailed at the current year. I went to mean to court in a whole lot of situation, a whole lot of, it was about, I think, about 5-6 pages. and you put you across. But a year no mujitum and no modene in Krata and British passport and man. Say, we share caseworker now to put to strong mitigation circumstances. But of course, when the client is here, I'll always let them know that the prospect of success is 50-50 in these circumstances. They will. But if not, so I'll committee those kind of offenses here, it's better to wait for at least 3 years before you put in the application.
Okay.
If not, the likelihood somebody refuses a bit high.
Okay.
And so when disclose to dear any a big case.
A big case. Lawyer, I mean, come a question me about few questions. Na me mere phone lines into I'm interested. Lawyer, drink driving. Drink driving, they mean say a common cry a community. Enti drink driving na yama wo point yacho. Yama wo point. Ba point no, ebia drink driving please if ogina wo na wona na yama wo point. O man fo anko court. Court to dan we nwura mu. Ba wo mama wo caution. And no, I was so declare a bit me and go against or citizenship.
Yeah. Drink drag is a you're malcautioner. You can refuse your naturalization. One moment here. One moment.
Lawyer Frank be free so no assign abebiom etiefo afa na do afide na to ha mascot success na ye no mo atena se no say every Wednesday anopa bia ye no mo etena se omudi mra we mra fra mra kanche mra pusu mra omudi omo se with God all things are possible ade bia wodi wonim se nyeye eni da so asa no onne mascot for tena se a omo be repair enuema ni nyina de bia hyehyem e de amount. 3 is it lawyer 3 days or 2 days ago na me friend na obi say your friend interview na nipa on ne ware ye no won hu nipa kro no wa wo na me no kasa no.
I think it was Monday. Yeah. Oba kra.
Oh good waba
yeah. So any power we say ona ye twi nanim no. So any power
ona ye twi nanim no.
Yeah. Oba ye metie na asem kra no. Nature said Dobby abedash ebefa.
Oh good.
Any I just said or buy.
As well so am me na amasio. Obi the number ne man no. Mo share video mo share so obi na or the number ma me sister boy mo atene so betimi aboa me. Enipa no we wo so ayira. Lawyer no ye man no so lawyer ne so ayira.
Minya to almost jam. Yeah. Enti said drink drive ye ma cautioner. Yeah, your application can be refused.
Drink driving. Okay.
Drink
and
driving.
lawyer me pacho ticket. Yama wo ticket wako park wo baby. And I say wako for red light do you do red light? Traffic light. Wako for baby ayemfa na wo de ama wo ticket, parking ticket. Na parking ticket no me refia na bailiff fo abem. Bailiff abem. And no ya fama court because I'm here say you don't court today no dear defe can go against so me personally who different between caution because a caution dear obi okra waja wo ba wo dem na kotifo abehu akra no almost men oba na we explain you bia me ko GP bia me kwa ha me ko this kotifo so okay enye biom yama wo caution the word caution no is it powerful because say am man court most criminal offense no bia de wakogina court to dia ba caution no man court na emom yama me warning say ma me nye biom no etimi go against me British citizenship nana.
Yes. And prebi yana amanfo ede anu di agro. So you onya caution and no nkyere say you can say it's not an offense. But it's a minor offense. So fans said they will can be any fan no. Ebia na yama wo anko court anye bibia but ebia na police hon because police show maybe a mohwe wasem na ye hu say okay asem we dey you know anko ye omutimi ma caution and the caution eto osua yes you can say we application for naturalization, they can refuse it until say caution is spent. Now there's make us and make suffer even face penalty notice for COVID-19 or more COVID-19 so wo kra no wubu mranos ne ma face penalty charge bia e bit me refuse to or British naturalization application. So if you look at it carefully, if a male woman can take you through all of the normal a bit me amawo or naturalization application, say I won't spend a bit me refuse.
So next week.
Tell them what can be so. So one face penalty notice, penalty charge notice, and a penalties notice for disorder are police for and impose. Into your face penalty, face penalty
order.
And a face penalty notice order. And no the AB and a uye dide. AB a o bonyum adiasa.
Patapa notorious wo area no de they will be a kasa wuntie.
Yeah. Or other authorized enforcement officers for traffic rules violation. So traffic rule violation be a red light, boom, now call. Yeah, for one court, but it will also red light and when you take it. And as environmental and civil violations. So also be honoma the ball acrano, both and what they are good baby, but they are two baby basa. Now cancel abe visit or near amount notice. There are petty offenses there. A minor offense. But when you kind of say a notice, when you're penalty notice, and look around here, it's not even about caution. Yeah, the man also know now you fail to pay, and I will fail to pay, and so maybe I'll challenge it. And challenge was not successful. Obi will create me leading into criminal conviction. Obi also crana and ko baby I said okay, and no, a bit to me affected. Or British naturalization application because the emphasis is that you have demonstrated a complete disregard to the law. And because of that, they can consider as someone who is not of good character. So caution, you will move to your simple or conditional or even youth caution.
Hold on, why?
So, and as a warning, be near the amount out of court disposal. You know, all these things are recorded on your criminal record. And it's a no man getting in an idea a bit mere denying or opportunity to naturalize in UK. And into ya na me who say bonye kese enko a bonin kitchen bi sa no nyina it may affect your application ewo ahase.
Lawyer Emre ne kome wa questions bebra na me pese me busa ene nkomo efa obi a waye dependent ene omo maye aware omo requirement bi a obi a woda so aware ni mu dada e bi a wo pese okoje ne naturalization enye indefinite leave to remain next week e beka ho asemba me wutie mi a na se wo fu se wanya wo indefinite leave to remain wujina wo yere so wujina wo maame wo papa dependent na ebia at the moment no nipa no wunhu no now still ukura wo indefinite leave to remain a meka kire wo se kurae no a ehun hia se wo beko se wo kwaji buku kokko de buku kokko wo ye no buku tuntum timi ye na do buku yi se di kromi ha indefinite ne ma wa de we timi ye bia etimi ye ni nyina eye the same obi beka say auntie enye the same because we eye anwanwade we eye miracles we enye miracles eye pe utu kwan a kone koje visa ne fa bom ne fa ko wo ko pa adwuma bi wo a wo di we to a ye be fa eja di okura we enso so no ni nyina no wo benya wo so ene wo de hwe wasetena mu ne to waba o pese wo friend lawyer ebusa no question emfa ene enkomo a ye die ne ehun numbers ne nyina egu screen so 0044 studio number 0044 750242279 0044 750242279 me pacho ofra me mowudin ofra na wachia lawyer no wakasa. Hello made of me pacho yen lawyer 8 you.
Mr. Good morning.
Good morning, sweetie. Pacho hoye.
Nyame adom hoye papa. Pacho mpese mbisa lawyer say me mawari yuni. Yuni na mawari na no. Yeah application as still almost refused. In this case, you know, obana betimi anje Portuguese passport ede amamiana and Portuguese ID amamiana.
Awari no ye refuse mu ye nyamfa awari ne mamo. Enti ye refuse mu na opesa obusa se obetimi akoje Portugal passport the amount. Wow. Lawyer Bremwen.
I mean with the requirements in the Portuguese now, obviously we are not dealing with Portuguese law. It's a different from UK here. Now Krana the Martin is you have to show say what Portugal until it will be very difficult for me to meet my catch or say will be to me a Portuguese passport and I say I would suggest in this circumstance you know when they be a Portuguese lawyer ECASA and then they will be the best people to help you on that.
Me pacho what say I say or say onye Portuguese lawyer enti wonti me nka say uni nkrata no oba no na ware ekrom haban no refuse no omo betimi age Portuguese passport amawa onim ti uni Portuguese lawyer enkasa. Okay. Hello, good morning, made of me pacho yen color yet you.
Hello.
Yes, darling.
Hello.
Hello, me pacho lawyer yet you made of me pacho lawyer yet you yen ko why?
Hello.
Me pacho kasa lawyer yet you bra kasa yet you.
Lawyer. We do not pattern me do for naturalization. So, but the friends document then me back for the naturalization.
We are then na wunya we indefinite. We are then na wunya we indefinite live to remain. We are then we jina wo baso we jina wo yire so we are long stay. Okay. Any hope you lawyer me patrol you na no was a requirement.
Enti when you wo enkrata how many years here?
3 years here. Wo be kro mi ha wo de enkrata na ba ha na. Yes. Okay. Me patrol, hold on. Okay. Enti no. Wo be kro mi ha me patrol de lawyer person hu ni. Wo be kro mi ha no. Wo tena ha ye wo ba stay ya. Aha, enti visit na wo de ba ye no. O visited visa they say we ansa na wo be ya aware me boa. Enti na wo kura wo visited visa no e na wo de koya aware na visited visa ne wi. Okay. Enti why a divorce? Lawyer me pacho o bisa requirement omra.
Okay. Enti I mean we bet me book appointment on our office but generally speaking you know you have to show 5 years residence. Enti ombe here say every year be for the last 5 years we show sena wo krom ha say so when divorce we the divorce certificate in back home you can say so we life in UK test also call your life
in the UK test
we English language
any bra me pacho friend lawyer number no was so neko na onye ema why okay hello good morning me pacho lawyer tio
good morning lawyer Mr. Cho, you know me, my council as an applicant. Now, Nina said the high time fee review only council, but I'm just in the field. na next year na naturalization application. But na me tell na affect my condition na number 2. No other policies CD and number this year. No one ever for fact and also by
and I'm no first time or my caution Wuniana or first time or my genuine and number 3 whole airport to me. Okay, that's good. Into mama caution. Okay. And now what's it what high dying now address nephew. Ba what if you ba what if you what dress now what dey won krata no e no nephew ho me boa nephew okay lawyer me pa problem we enye wo na adenya problem
ene say obi wanti an address ni fi ho obi nim so otifie ho
lawyer say obi nim so otifie wanti wo no de enye problem de ye ken no landlord ne ye beche na wo tenant ne de ye beche mo ofie wa wo ni problem o landlord ne wo problem ena lawyer was nam na wo de ba na ya ma ne caution no
Inti also declare application. Yeah, now a document on my sign, you know, or the back home.
Okay.
Bra
me pacho lawyer say was so declare so what say.
Okay.
Na what
that document now on the back application on.
Aha, what the back home but me our advice say ko hun lawyer. Now only lawyer nkasa because ube here o 5 years ni nyina no be here o document o.
Immigration is the problem be apart from and
okay, good. Me person me kire say o 5 years na before I will kwa kwaje wo naturalization no ube here ube wo say we show 5 years residence.
Me show yeah.
Good. Me da say hello me pacho wa was no ye lawyer 8 you me do for pa.
Hello morning.
Good morning.
Mpacho, Mrs. Sana, what happened 20 years ago, or naturalization now, or month new year or the on day.
On to me naturalization or person or a long stay or J I feel no a long
indefinite
or indefinite. Good.
Naturalization.
Good.
Now over November 2001. But on Friday, no form no omubusa data you first enter no obusa say no
eno na lawyer e ka kire mo say eno na lawyer e ka kire mo say ehun hia se wa wo betena dem medru naturalization so wa men hye dem mo enye e wo se wo de ma lawyer but me hu ni se mo ana mo ye ni indefinite lawyer say was so na me ka say ni indefinite leave to remain no or kwaje ne nkrata first no ho or kwaje ne nkrata first no o kan dey a wo de ba economy ha e wo the first application or ye
but one day na share so the month ni ye na shares
or the month lawyer ne wo kasa why
it's no problem so the month one kai date no a specific date here. Any problem. Sometimes you can give a generic date to do a call of the only the year.
Good.
But
all right.
Obviously, you know, so about a lot of questions the baby side. Once we ask all those global questions, they will know specific answers.
Okay.
Okay.
Eti me pacho me da say hello, good morning, me do for me pacho wa was no yen call.
Hello, good morning, Sister Abraham. Pacho person
question kaka.
All right.
Me pacho me sister bi peto ko ware then me wa bana you say some be application be na because of visited data because of bank statement almost a bank statement you take so mo ban for 10 years ntene na me teacher lawyer say obetumi akọware na bana
lawyer ni nuane enya kunu e wo Ghana okoware ni kunu ne raba ba be ma na wo Ghana ne ye application visited visa e ma ye bande no wo fake bank statement e ho
for 10 years
ya bande no ento person who say ya bande be ma no wo fake passport no ni nua no betimi akoware ne de na ba na
Okay. With marriage, dear, sometimes no, you can, but Home Office will consider those evidence, and they need to have a very strong and comparing evidence for this marriage certificate to convince them that this is equally not a fake agenda.
Because betimi ato interview.
So I would suggest one lawyer now on transferring and church no on that. So visit application there, and your bundle are editing ultimately give you on to the next 10 years. But with marriage there, sometimes you can work around it.
Sister me pacho wote lawyer say mo betimi na emomu no mo ne lawyer ntena because possibility say nipa na ko first or the fake akono we o mo betimi akase marriage ni so ye fake marriage certificate everything ye fake nti mo work things properly ana mo pa mo ko hu lawyer na mo ne nkasa me dase hello me do for pa me pacho ye nko lawyer 80
pacho
me pacho ye wa
me pacho good morning me pacho the same lawyer said me jam me back na this 2.5 me the benefit to meet my umbrella application
why 2.5 years ne dada
Zambrano dey see a tremor you feel
Zambrano lawyer em say una say onyo ni program
Actually says Zambrano dey omuku no kra na say ontimi sorry bi nti
me bacha lawyer say Zambrano no muku no ontimi sorry wontimi nkoje why because they say Zambrano no omo de ma wo bi a onya application da
okay
why obi a enti wo no gina wo 2.5 years na emom no se wo pese wo sesa wo 2.5 years na akwanya wo ho so obetimi aswitch from 2.5 years no e de akọ 5 years so wo koye adwuma enya 18,600
me
dase hello good morning me do for pa me pacho lawyer tio.
Hello, good morning. This is lawyer. Pacho, what to say?
Nyame adom ye hu ye pronounce we.
Nyame adom pacho. Me kai wo say na wa send social worker no e number ma me di na me di ma sam so that was so.
Ma fa ma ho ko se wate me ref.
Pacho David.
Me ya ma sesi a kasa lawyer tio.
Pacho, me question is say my friend be social worker gaje ne nkura 2 times na lawyer kasa bi do it me say we record be bisa na at the same time o debt ya o dia ma financial ifo na o mo so many tia £1 a month and pass debt be a parking charge e bi so ye e bi a loan ne sa ni manema no na me pacho ana wa kan so akoko to 2 times and no betimi affect me must be na lawyer can church na
okay lawyer me pacho chire ni mo
my first part ni
first part ni first part no or say yeah social worker for agenema mienu na danfo bi ma mienu o magenema mienu wo mo de wa court nso so ena wanyinya fan bi parking fan ne ho anwan fan no ni nyina no so so ye ne ko ena debt bank loan ne yi omo de na ma debt collectors a omo do £1 every month na chese wa set a otwia all this wahala no social services for agenema twice second one ni omo so omo fa nkra ne ma ni bi e ko pem se nkra ne nya 18 years na me ni say obewo bad record pa
also who lawyer no to me church mu ye na ebia with the mitigation circumstances at also but I like I say a bit me affect your naturalization application but that is not the end of the tunnel. Once you see a lawyer you will go through everything and set it clear and possibly because of the mitigation circumstances issue goes through.
Okay. Sweetheart, me pacho lawyer say I was so hun lawyer na ne kasa because ebi wo wa wo mo de letters to so chro me ma affect why. Lawyer aban lawyer bia betimi aye na wonim. The reason why I am a person, more for lawyers, maybe I told me, Sorry. The reason why I'm a person of some criminal lawyers, and they say, Ghana need lawyer dear, Ubekako come see and actually. Mede social worker ne number amount or ye top social worker. Ono na assign. Emma ye je conform every nsem. Na me oni Ghana for ye adwuma che. Ye de ni sie ni mpie. Be die mpia o ye Ghana ni die ntia me de ne number amount no. Wo ka wa asem ne kire na ono a depend ne paper be si ade so atro. E de amount no kire wo se kwa ha kawe yewe so wo ko broni social worker wo de na wo ko ka kire no because ya je o ma mienu automatically sem kura ne emfa ne ma biom e no mo san so to free aban dan ya de ama wo because kura ne mo sem biom broni lawyer wo kotena wa ana broni lawyer e de na wo ko ka kire no Utimi nkoka ono ontimi defend you anyway dia wo waka no wo ko gina so waka ba wo come ni lawyer dia pour your heart actually lawyer no Ghana ni lawyer wo krom ni lawyer so e Nigeria no so ye Nigeria no ka to se wo krom ni lawyer ho ono betimi aka to se sister ade we ni say ade we fesi ade for example obi be frɛ ye se lawyer wa ya aware o man fa ma no betimi age Portuguese passport okay obi be frɛ minim problem no otie mi program de bia but all an application no or the man lawyer or no an official pay or ye Ghana ni lawyer and kade we na ye simple mathematics our no you lawyer mo worry before we free or what text messages everything to prove say 2019 or ye me sweet brother intimini 2019 no or our papa or our genuine lawyer and so ye refuse no ye refuse twice because or the man Ghana ni mu say Portuguese need here e was so wonya mo marriage na lawyer ya mo ye no say was so wonya obi man guarantee so wonya obi man sa marriage na mo kan wasem no eno bi eno mi gina so because onye descendant of Ghana
yeah no Ghana
eno nti na ya me ka say fa koma wo kuro mu ni lawyer o ka me say unso me say but Open government lawyer, a be wo minimum situation sikani ho. But say when you say aid no lawyer almost here kemo.
There's no legal aid for naturalization application. There's no legal aid. You also utia for it.
Okay. Sister, you kone ko apply omo de be ma wate koye. Kone koye omo de ma. Hello, me don me pacho wa wo sunu yenko. Oh. Me pacho wa was no yanko na ye fa dwumade ne mra na wie pacho lawyer ti osuri me pacho good afternoon and make us someone to home oh my god hello good afternoon hello me pacho lawyer ti lawyer wako speed or speed camera channel all say obu wa speed camera chow na se ebre
awareness course
omubusa o reason why ya wo be speed no say e pass mu a omotimi ka so okay ye be ma wa ba course what I say ya found
awareness course yeah I mean awareness course no and most people
bravo la me ba also almost so your course na yen fande enti wo
yen fande yeah Yeah.
Enti wo de he na wo ye ya wo pese obusa. Wo question say.
So your awareness course na fine. No, it's okay. Awareness course.
Say a caution now.
I mean, most people when you awareness course, now it doesn't really affect your naturalization application.
Oh, good.
The awareness course they are good.
Okay. Me patcho lawyer so we are. Lawyer so we are affect why? Okay.
Yeah.
We are free. We are free. Why? Hello, me do for me patcho yon koloyeti you.
Patcho me.
Me patcho ye wa loyeti you.
Okay. Patcho me business me our na ya pressure yeah issue can come say the to office baby
office address baby amomo ye adwuma wo ho woni wo yiri ni na ye adwuma wo baby ba ko
baby me na me ye adwuma wo but
mo amo company a woni wo yiri ni nyina di wo company ni so
baby
won ko aba wo pese obusa so wo betimi de adwuma lawyer omo adwuma mu office na office na office address bra no waya aware no betimi de adwuma mu address aye oni me yiri nyina betimi yi so omo adwuma mu address
my simple answer would be say any residence your office. And say a residential address that you use your where you live, and say a correspondence address and as office address there you can use the office address.
Bra me ba chawati na say say mo me ye sure say bi mo na abontin mo beda fie enti sa address no wadwuma no e wo fie ho a e bia na office wo fie if you want now tie and if you want now we adwuma there use it but said the lawyer can or say your office address say a proper company address or more per resident address or more per office address what I say I think say nka obetimi afa lawyer na woni na kasa no also say aha ye ekwan ho ntina sa no obetimi a kire wo mu but obetimi afa no na wono no wakasa e bia na there say way out. Hello Midafopa. Hello last caller. Hello. Yes darling Pacholo yeti why?
Lawyer kasa about
Mentia say afa na person okwaje wo British passport. A British passport na okwaje. Lawyer say 5 years no. 5 years no started from wunya wo 5 years no. It was every year bia will show the resident
5 years before the application, before your naturalization application. It's all the naturalization application you turn and now 5 years before today's date.
Lawyer say 5 years. Enti lawyer say when you indefinite now, ube show 5 years resident before we naturalization, no? Before I would naturalize. Okay.
And so let me also point it out, say, so when you're indefinite, now or you overstay, no, when you are 10 years continuous resident there, or any council or tries over your application.
You may find a lawyer person will say, when you wo be kromi ha no ye overstay and now what they are no ni wura kromi ha What the visit in a buyer? Within Ubaye no 1 year now we are our remeboa. And to Ubekaya free, ye are now. Adana would do visited visa and you would have crummy hano. Ubekaya Sadano, say ye are no up to Ada, Winyawo. We indefinitely
the first time when you're on a 5 years residence.
Lawyer, a better first time when you're on a 5 years residence. No,
yeah, 5 years residence. Yeah, 10 years for the first time he was granted 5 years.
5 years, no, okay. And tonight as a brass, winya, 5 years, no, 2010. It was said we are naturalization in 2020. Lawyers are not person.
Yeah. So when you're in 2010, 2020.
Until 10 years now. Okay. Until lawyers say it was so ube show 5 years. 5 years now. Mama won't krata. Wadi krata 5 years.
5 years before all the submitting naturalization.
It was said upe 5 years. No, you approve to every year. Be a winner and your match. Let's say, say no now we promise how we do before what they would naturalization be true.
And to say, or the naturalization is to November 2022, 5 years back from today's date, which would be November 2017. So from November 2017 up to now, also a chess and no chroma.
Every year, yeah.
I
don't know who appointment in Coloya or no arranging your man. No, when you indefinite after 1 year, no, ultimate British passport, but and only you will be a me fan say, will be a cover, will be no free Ghana on to Oba no den krataba. Nurses if we are mobile will be 5 years, Oba or den krataba, and to no nurse no 5 years, no indefinite. Ni following year, or a British passport. What I say, but who now would they visited visa and buy? Obey you overstay no. Won't mean yes, sir. When you we indefinite, also such another 5 years. And to what you know, you just need the proof we say. Since when you have 5 years, no, be a winner in 2017, said the lawyer can 2017, no, your money and bring 3 things. I said, be our bank statement, utility bill, council tax for ABA 2017. 2018, we say here, pay slip, utility bill, ABA council tax on 2018. 2019, we say here, be before from ABA telephone bill, utility bill, council tax. 2020, we are the side, supposed to pay up to. Pacho, what you say? And no, never yes, or better lawyer. Who should them we are be for you? We ain't from your man. Document, and I may say, a lawyer who friendly book appointment or Obama will list. Obama will list of a new man will be here. What is the maintenance? And now, we be here with divorce certificate important. Bra, and your payslip, listen, and your payslip on one abetting show. Be a GP, who be. Entina me se ko hu lawyer. And your man ira, ko ne ko hu lawyer. because any pay slip, anyone who pay slip you will get it because who free will company now they can go back. Kone kohu lawyer, why? Kohu lawyer things will sort out. Me that's it. Other funny here for me that will be biara me pacho ya diverted course ni nyina e de ama lawyer. Ye mfa course bi e bio me pamocho ma mo frɛ no. Me sorry mo frɛ lawyer na mo ne no entwetwe enkomo. Eye Mascot Solicitors omo e telephone number eye +44 2022080752860 ena e wo so wo fra wo se wo pese woni lawyer Frank etwetwe enkomo ofra ono na wabuku appointment me pacho appointment no omo betimi ebuku eye telephone so omo so betimi ebuku face to face me dey na me prefer so be face to face it's better than thousands of words enti me pacho ko ho na woni lawyer enkotwetwe enkomo nyame ya adomo a ekina emergency awa eba so life and colored. For the past 2 weeks, emergency hour bus life and colored in Tichina. Prepare yourself. Lawyer me pacho will be our person who can. Lawyer me pacho my memory muansa. Media asida konkono. Asida PSC. Asida muhyam. Ye designer asida. Mawo lawyer Frank. Mascot. Mo beta mechi. On the 5th of November. Ma meta me chikeko mo ba mo di designer money e baye lawyer sikane de also di bika ho
Okay.
Lawyer Mary baby a wo bia me da wase wate Lawyer Mary wo ho ofe me first time I me hu lawyer nie Lawyer Mary nie hey too much lawyer oyire ho ofe
Just came.
Hey hey viewers mo lawyer yire no we Janet lawyer for the baby Lawyer Mary come we where what Lawyer Mary come we can see you we blow you keys Lawyer Mary come a bit high five Lawyer Mary won't fair hey shankus Tundra. Hey, lawyer. Obi from Basro, baby, me say, hey, this tabina. Lawyer, ne hey, Lawyer Mary. Oh, what fair. Thank you very much, lawyer.
Thank you so much.
Me that was say, Yamin Shira, Mascot, much me or dog. Name Sikan Nessa. Hey, lawyer, Sika designer. O de usika de ya nemu Dubai we nesa.
No
what
problem.
I say? O de some more things ahead. I feel now better your market here. But musika de ne designer money. Designer sika designer. Lawyer me da say. Nyame wo.
Yes, Yadamase.
Do me de ne ye fe. Me da wase one wo here. Lawyer Mary. Thank you very much. I appreciate a lot.
You're welcome.
I appreciate. But Lawyer Mary, the money, it was small.
It's small, eh?
Yeah. Where were you when lawyer is packing that money?
Okay.
Oh, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Lawyer, say.
They say Yadamunya must say. You can't say Shamsiana, a say. Mutie ye for Mascot Solicitors ne of Mamiski pay outreach ni share no said the DBA canon moon continue support to this program. You know, he's doing a lot for the community with your prayers, with your finance, with sharing video. No, it will go a long way to help our community. And then, you know, say it drew anytime of my is on the program, you know, either Monday or either Wednesday or Friday or Thursday or Saturday, tune into it because every day comes with its own information. You never know where your healing or your information will come. So let us support all his programs. And I think we'll go a long way to help our community. Mascot Solicitors, our aim is to help the community. So we need lawyer now per lawyer, trusted lawyer officer. You can rely on him or her. You know, come to Mascot Solicitors. We do everything in litigation, immigration, family law, wills and probate and covenants. Therefore, Yadamasi, Nyamisha Musemo Famogwa Mutie, and Yabesen next week, Nyamidi Chayania, and bye bye.
Yeda lawyer ase lawyer Frank ene no etwetwe enkomo no nyame enhira ne pa na me kanfo ama wo bibiara wutie me ekire nyame ya adoma mpa ebokase ya wada bia ye bompa ye di apaye fra paye esre wo twedi ampon se rade ensa no wada ni munyamu Prophet Greg ekina obestream live emergency hour ebekoso live wo waiting wo atweye enim obompaye de ama wo awutie me ene me nso so enti mo amonim Prophet Greg number no mo betimi afre no wasa wo Ghana no wo waiting mo betimi afre no prayer request everything wo de ebema no eye surprise waiting we ya fa meto wo ameka ho asem oso okotwen awrade anim na osoro emie emawo menim wo how menim wo amane menim wo atete wo kom akwaso bo testimonies ache enti ene bo testimonies na enkofo enhu ne awrade wo ye wono de wo ye nyame bia eniema nipa nyina anim se enye ye no wono awrade wo bamu a eyeye abrabo na chiachia eniema enkoye enipa nyina apo enipa apo ama wankasa wo soso wapo ho because aware enkoye wanini wo fu se wo nyini dodo aware wani monyam no ekofom waware enso aware nani monyam wo fom mepa wo chew ya wada ekina brane mompaye yare bi ene da wo so adoma chede awrade dia che Prophet Greg awo yare ayare setumi awrade dia mano dodo edie na wo hwehwe dear Prophet Greg de na no ebebie beka ma mo hwe abundance campaign program ma mo join emergency hour de you can testify enra me nua be bi frɛ me na me ne soja ni bi wo Ghana gina phone so me na me frɛ me nua be ma no nye ono mpo oye me ba me na me frɛ no na me kwere no wo se mama abna de awrade aye enie na ni da so ni ho awo na ni da so ni ho awraba ni nkrata akaso obewo no agina kora ne so de age nkrata ye de awrade emergency awanyame kasa obi a doctors say fibroid wenti untime nwo emergency awanyankopon akasa wawo afa ne ho afa ne ba akora na doctors say woni akoma Prophet Greg said there be awrade amfra mi so begumani mu ase through emergency awa akora wati Germany doctors say hole in heart awrade ahile no prophet ni makora ne dawo eye just a spoken awrade abamu bi ama awrade ahili akora no ene akora no wanya ne fa ahodie se mutie me obi se freeze akwasi hwe we no efa ema me cheke awrade adom akora no wanya ne fa ahodie ene enti wo bibiara wutie me ekina enyame eya adomo a ekina nyame ya adomo a me pese me hu ekina me pese wo a wutie me no me hu woni ye nyina enhia ekina anopa 10 o'clock match kura 10:30 emergency awabra yare obi oyi impotent yes premenopause yes bibi de premenopause awrade wakasa obi da diabetes aduro so for how many years diabetes panie wo for how many years obi da bra pressure aduro so obi si menkrata obi a wo criminal offense na ya bonensa no enkrata de nkonya bi wo kurom hada prophet ka kire ne se ma wo lawyer entwro fa ko home office wo be ye nkrata o se me lawyer for so lawyer pike kura kan bi me a me lawyer o kan bi sa abana dabi we de ma ye ni di ho agoro prophet Greg se nyame be koso aye nyame obi nkasa miracle water wo ba fa wunsuo wa to wunsuo enye obi ne di nsuo ne ma wa fa wunsuo bra ne ya application aware kuntunkuni ene wo ye no de koye ene ye frɛ no se ombra emebo ne nsa no abra wo kobo ne nsa no prophet se ko home office ho ogina home office ena prophet se fansuo emergency awa water fa na fa hohoro wonsa prophet ne bompaye ena odi nsuo ne hohoro ne nsa ena prophet se ko ne koye fingerprint okoye fingerprint ya wo ma hu se wonu mpo ena ede ade ebo wo bi okurum hama ne wuye owo murder criminal offense a lady ekoye enkrata no ya friend interview prophet is obeko interview no lawyers say lax for 7 hours only interview is just 15 minutes per it is obi kachire wo say me bompa ye na enkrata ye process akache ne say me say oyehu obi kofa ne ba kwa America enioma nyina ye pepepe omukoye DNA oba wa ba woye DNA yetimi kasa akura ne nya wodia maame na ye DNA for 4 times ena wo bi ka kire ne se abene campaign ne prophet biba program so abene campaign ne sofu bi bompaye emergency hour koso onu ekofa ne ba wo akọ America waye DNA 4 times oba enye bema oba oye DNA yesenya wo ba 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 maame no ba emergency hour so ene ne bompaye prophet said abayin ena mo besa akoye DNA mijinya midi maame osoro ebe kasa maame ne koye DNA biomu a ene ne bati America ne ba oti America obi ti Ghana akwasi wakai me obi ti Ghana o pe school e wo kromi ha na o pe scholarship o apply ya yemfama no oti Ghana na sister wa ha na prophet Greg say ma wo sister nko school na wo pe no na wonya ade e wo school ho mame why ne ka kire wo say urade ni to me enya mpaibo bia ne mpaibo wonni de woni awurade wa apam wonni mpaibo a wo ba ho a awurade etena ni mu kirewo me testimonies ni nyina gu ho yenye testimony nya pen ne paper ne atwere gu so ene ba ya be wurudi a kirewo enipa na wo ka ene wahu all over the world de omo Kuwait de omo Lebanon de owo Canada ehin na awurade enyeye Italy me nan fofo me busuafo prophet say ko school na wonua na epe no na menya ade wo ho ma ko ho lady ne says so for mate outside London ofiri outside London besini ko school prophet say ko school ni ho anwea mini hobby but gina ho a fa anwea ne gina ho a won ne ka kire wo say awurade woni to me na sabi enipa ne eni nkaye ena awuraba no Ninua na be kromi ha with scholarship emergency our God. The one to me nyene does not exist. November is my 11-hour miracle. Sadly victory. Ebeyem pofu munu pom wonkrata ne beba. Enti echina nyame ya adomo a. Woni mentena se awieye bremu no ono na awurade asiesie na adom ne ho sra. Obie na no kasa de ni pentumi nye no eyeye de ni pentumi nye yeye oka kire wodifo ne se enti nompei enompa eho apopoi ebenya nkwa na odifo ne se wurade wo na wonim ose kasa enwu nompe ne so because me se awieye mremu no me hwie ma dom ne me nwosra e de agu mrante ne maba waso na mo beye ne meme wurade maye na mo beye aborosa enti kasagu nompe no the dry bones speak unto the dry bones prophesy shenkom egu nompe ne so ne benya nkwa afede ne nompe a eho apopo no na ekekasi ani na enya nkwa edie ba de na wo aye wo dadwene ena awurade or the prophet Greg dra United Kingdom obi biara emra echina bra na woni yen emebom emmom paye eni apaye emfra paye eye china me kanfo e the amount se Crown Eagle Limited obi biara wotie me Crown Eagle Limited aba e the ama me ni wo mienu minim e bia wo peka wo pese wo toka akọ Ghana wo pese wo ye business bi e wo Ghana wo peka e the aye trotro me di business na ebre wo me ma tip off Crown Eagle wo mo new deposit no deposit required me patcho contact Crown Eagle Limited na woni wo mo eni eye ensa woso tap send e na airfree wo no tap se download eye app no never send sika ko Ghana e wo abra wuntua hwe e wo tap mu na emom kai se obebo eye promo code eye skin pain na wanya £5 extra na wanya €5 extra $10 extra e wo so eye brago catering services na from ame brago se bra na no mo eni sa wo so wo parties ebia Kumasi market obi anfa na nche Kumasi market no nkudi ni dwa e wo eye Kumasi market eye Daraspra funeral insurance e na efro no Daraspra for se obia secure yourself secure your family me patcho Fred Daraspra na woni omo eni eye sa wo so eye best deal door to door shippers me sraw me fa woni oma enkoma door to door shippers bi na wa fa wonsa amegu wuti ensu enti mesro contact eye bells d na no muni sa wo so eye snacks from snacks say all your pastries nyina no me patcho contact wo mo eye pelito enso so wo de ne hyeto na eba me patcho frepel na onye wo hyeto nyina emfa ma me da obi biara ase nyame eye adomo a echina wo betimi ne me atene ase echina nyame ya reliable, affordable, convenience, and it's so fast. E pampe, and I will be fastwa. Ube use tap sika money. And one is say, ube follow smartphone. Now I download a tap sika money. E wo phone so. And one is a woko. And need just some kasi and say, baby I will be a what me use a tap. Edison Disica, Echo wa my Ganemu, Ewa Bra won't ya she commission free, Empo Abra miti me use a tap, Edison Disica, Ewa Bra Mimpia Bonte, Nemo Mukai, so be use a promo code. It was screen so. Now what ya send Disica, Nema Busia, £5 extra, €5 extra, and Kawo Musika. What the back on the one? And to use promo code no. Was screen so. Tap. Yes, say. Paul Mantum was saying Eddie Campo. Tap. Abba. Am I again? Ghana for. Hey, Abusia meeting. The abundance campaign medisika e mane mebusia eni adofo e wo my Ghanemu e de fa eye tap sika mane eso e de bentia e so easy, reliable, affordable, convenience and it's so fast e pampe e na wo be fa so a obe use tap sika mane and one say Ubefa wo smartphone now I download a tap sika money wo phone so and one is a woko and need just some kesi and say baby I will be a wutimi use a tap Edison Disica Echo wa my Ghanemu Ewa Bra won't ya she commission free Empo Abra miti me use a tap Edison Disica Ewa Bra Mimpia Bonte Nemo Mukai so be use a promo code it was screen so now what ya send Disica Nema Busia £5 extra €5 extra and Kawo Musika what the back on the one and to use promo code no was screen so tap yes say Paul Mantum was saying Eddie Campo tap Abba am I Ghana for.
As per insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you are not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your peace of mind is guaranteed. At Diaspora Insurance,